Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to see anyone WhatsApp message, Facebook message or Viber message without touching their phone. Sometimes we worry about our girlfriend and we thought that they are cheating with us, and we wanna know what they are actually doing on their WhatsApp or Facebook or Viber, right? So don't worry, today I will show you the easiest way how to do that. So for that you will have to watch until the end. Don't skip any second, because if you skip that time you cannot able to understand, and then don't blame me. Okay, so stay connected with me, and so let's start. First of all, you will have to go to the Google or any other browser and search into the search box spy phone app. Okay, and then here you can see the spy phone app link, so click on it, and this is a really nice app. It will 100% work, believe me. Okay, so let me show you this apps feature. Okay, here you can see you can track anything, something like that, call record, WhatsApp tracker or phone tracker or Facebook tracker, Viber tracker, Skype tracker, everything you wanna hack. Okay, you can hack. Okay, so let's first of all install this software. So click on the download button, and here you can see the download option, so click on it again and wait for a moment, and you will have to put this captcha G5 capital H, and then click on the terms of service. I confirm that I am at least 18 years old and I understand. So click on the download option and wait for downloading this software. And guys, if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you, and trust me, it will work, 100% work. Okay, so wait for a moment please. Okay, after downloading this software, you will have to go to your download folder, or otherwise you can install this software from there. So click on it and click on the install button, and its name will be backup. You can see its name will be backup. So wait for installing, and after installing click on the done button, and then get back again and search in your apps store, and then you can find in your apps store that SP app monitoring. Here you can see. Okay, so click on it and click on the accept next, and don't skip the display notification. Okay, so click on the accept next and wait for a moment, and here you can see add a new account or login with register account if you have one. So you are new, right? So you will have to give any Gmail address of yours. So let me choose my Gmail, and repeat Gmail, and you can choose any password. Okay, so let me choose my password, and repeat password, and click on the terms of service, and then I am at least 18 years old, and click on the subscribe to news seller. Okay, so after completing this section you will have to click on the register and wait for a moment, and here you can see my phone is already been added. Okay, so click on the save and then wait please, and here you can see the notification setting. So you will have to click on it and click on the SP app monitoring notification, click on allow, and then accessibility setting. So click on it and setting, and then here you can see SP app monitoring. So click on it click on OK, and then click on the exit button. You don't need to do anything, and then you will have to go to the Google. Okay, wait please, and search into the search box spy phone app again. Okay, and here you can see, sorry, spy phone app, here you can see. So click on it, and then you will have to give your email and password. So I give my email, and also you will have to put your password, and then click on sign in. And here you can see my phone names is already been added. So there are 5 logs, so click on the phone names option, and here you can see the SMS log, and you can see SMS, ringtone, or WhatsApp message. Here you can see Facebook message, and also you can see Viber, Skype, anything else. Okay, and if you wanna see all of these activities with one click, so click on the all logs. Okay, so if you click on it, that time you can get your update. And if your phone network is so much fast, that time the apps monitoring or collecting your data from this phone so fastly. Okay, so don't worry, it will 100% works. And that's it guys, and maybe it takes lots of time of yours, so don't worry please, it will 100% work. And if you enjoy this video, then please subscribe my channel and give also like and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.